Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make Chow Mein. If you have a big family, you have to add this to your dinner menu because it's super delicious and also very easy to make. And let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, you will need 1 pound of thin sliced chicken breast. You can also use beef or shrimp. 10 ounces of chow mein noodles. You can find it in any Asian market, or you can totally change it to spaghetti if you can find it anywhere. It will taste pretty good with spaghetti too. Some vegetable of your choice. And for the sauce and spice, we will use light soy sauce to marinate and dark soy sauce to saute. That's the only difference between this recipe and all the other Asian recipe we had. So first, we will marinate the thin sliced chicken. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of cooking wine. Mix together. I prefer to just use my hand. And to make the sauce, add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then we will add 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. The sesame oil will bring the stir fry to another level. And mix the sauce, set it aside. For the vegetables, I julienned some carrots, jalapeno, and 2 to 4 shiitake mushroom, and 3 green onion, some shredded cabbage. And that's everything we need for the prep. We can start cooking. Turn the stove to high heat and bring it to smoky hot. We will drizzle in some oil, toast in the marinated chicken. Stir fry quickly until the chicken changed color. We will transfer it back to the bowl. Now drizzle in more oil, toss in the garlic and ginger. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. We can add in the vegetables. Stir fry the veggies for about 3 minutes or so, or until the cabbage change color. We can add in the noodle. Toss everything around and mix them together. And we will add the chicken back to the wok. Mix everything together again, and finally we will pour in the sauce. And now we just have to continue stir fry to mix everything together. Right now it smells just super delicious. And you can add in some salt and pepper if needed. Okay, and the last step, we will add the green onion to the dish. And that's it, it's all done. And seriously, this is the most delicious and easy stir-fry noodle ever. I love eat this whenever I'm busy with work. It's just super easy to make, and after freeze and reheat, it still tastes just like freshly made. I just love it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and also give this stir-fry noodle a try at home. It's way cheaper and way better taste than takeout from the restaurant. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.